So kick-off just past 9:30 local time. Barca will be wearing their new third kit. They're hoping to pull the levers. A superb showing. It looks to be back to his best. Ball flies in here. It's headed towards goal. City will just about get this away. Then Lewis. It's still Kessié. He's got a shot on him as well, and he clangs the ball against the post. Has managed to hook it into the box. Here's Rafinha. He's got a shot from here. Clever pass. Run past Rico Lewis. So much talent in this Barca side going forward. And Kessié, his Sergio Roberto offside flag goes up. As Aubameyang and as Rafinha goes outside. That chipped up to the back post. Easy catch for Iñaki Peña, but it's put in. A big mistake that Alvarez is able to capitalise on. 1-0 to Manchester City. Here's Frenkie de Jong to Jordi Alba. Jordi Alba bends that way cheaply. Cole Palmer takes it on. Cole Palmer with the strike. Clipped into the area. It falls for a low drive that finds its way through. Aubameyang goes for power and beats Ortega. It's 1-1 just before the half-hour mark at the Spotify Camp Nou. Manchester City fail to clear the set piece. Bernardo Silva now. Bernardo Silva makes some space for himself. Stinked upfield trying to find Riyad Mahrez. On two possession-based sides. Aubameyang turns. Rafinha blocked by Walker. The flag had already been raised. Alvarez tries a curler into the inside the area as Mahrez might try and find him. Looks for the one summer that he might be on his way here to the Camp Nou, and there's a challenge maybe inside the area, perhaps on the edge of the box. Whatever the case, Riyad Mahrez has been brought down. So it is. Riyad Mahrez takes the set piece, drills it into one of those defenders by Iñaki Peña. America. And the other players have been replaced. It looks as if Jordi Alba had given away one of his shirts, so he's back on the field to place a player on Ansu Fati. Looks. The ball falls here. It's smashed into Iñaki Peña. Back out for Alvarez. Alvarez tries to poke it past the goalkeeper. Nearly came a cropper. Here's Ansu Fati. The Spaniard Rodri. There's Erling Haaland, who's. Aubameyang also goes off, as does Juan Carlos Nsue. So Rodri has come on to replace Gundogan. Foden goes off as Gundogan gets the pass from Kevin De Bruyne. It's into the box. This is Cole. And that's nicked away. Opportunity for Barcelona. It's driven into the net by Frenkie de Jong. On the follow-up off a scramble inside the area. Frenkie de Jong finishes off a chance that saw some more defensive disarray. Gundogan was challenging for that. There's the follow-up. A real rocket. Mahrez. Played across by Cancelo, easy tap in for Cole Palmer. As Manchester City get back on terms. It's Cole Palmer who finishes off that team move from Pep Guardiola's men. With that, Pep Guardiola Runs out of space there. Goes off to be replaced by Erling Haaland. Busquets also withdraw. Drops home. Gavi plays it through. Precision pass. The finish from Memphis, though, is blocked by Ortega. Sergio Roberto plays that across. Finished off by Memphis. No save that time around from Ortega. Barcelona take the lead as Memphis provides a cool finish. Haaland's made a run. Haaland calls for it. Haaland will run onto it. The angle is too narrow. He goes down. And a penalty has been awarded. Steps up, left-footed take, blasts it into the top right corner. Manchester City a level late on in stoppage time. That chipped up to the back post, easy catch for Iñaki Peña, but it's put in. A big mistake that Alvarez is able to capitalise on. 1-0 to... Clipped into the area. It falls for a low drive that finds its way through. Aubameyang goes for power and beats Ortega. It's 1-1 just before the half-hour mark at the Spotify Camp Nou. That's nicked away. Opportunity for Barcelona. It's driven into the net by Frenkie de Jong. On the follow-up off a scramble inside the area. Mahrez. Played across by Cancelo. Easy tap in for Cole Palmer. As Manchester City get back on terms. Here's Sergio Roberto plays that across. Finished off by Memphis. No save that time around from Ortega. Barcelona take the lead as Memphis provide. Steps up, left-footed take, blasts it into the top right corner. Manchester City a level late on in stoppage time.